Hello everyone, welcome back with me, Geran here. Due to the high demand for FlutterFlow tutorials, this time I will provide a tutorial for FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow is a platform for creating mobile application for iOS and Android, similar to App Inventor that we have learned before. To create UI design with FlutterFlow, you can simply use drag and drop. Okay, now we have to log in or sign in. Click sign in here. Wait for a second. This is the first page that you will see when you are logged in or sign in to your FlutterFlow account. Now click on this button, create new, and then type your project name. For example, tutorial. I mean simple tutorial. Create blank, or you can use these templates from FlutterFlow, or you can make blank application for tutorial like this. Create blank. Right here, you can change your project name. Project name tutorial, a simple tutorial, you can change it. You can change your package name, and then you can change your application theme to dark or light. I will choose to dark, and then you can choose color theme. I will use default. Setup Firebase. For this video, I will turn it off and then start building. As you can see right here, this is the main screen when you are develop your application. On the right, on the left side, you can see widgets section. At the center, you can see canvas section. You can see your application preview. On the right side, you can see your widgets properties. And then in this button, lighting button, this is demo button. If you click this button, your application will run. I will show you how to change screen between screen 1 and screen 2 with one button. Okay, now choose the button here in your widgets section, drag and drop. Click on your button, and then you can add some padding here. For example, I use 20 pixel for padding top, padding right 25, sorry, delete, padding bottom 20, and then padding left 35, and scroll down. You can see button text. Change it. I will change to change screen. Change screen. And then you can change your button name here, right here. I change it to change SC or change screen button. And then now we want to make new screen. In this button, add page, click it. You can make blank screen, or you can make use some templates here. I will use create blank, and then name your screen 2, create page. Okay, this is the second screen or screen number 2. You can see right here widget 3, name is name is screen 2. Change the page title right here, change it to second screen. So when we run this application, we will know which screen is appear on the application. And then go to widgets right here, and then make new button, change to back. Okay, and then okay, change the button's text to back. Add some padding here, 30 pixel. And then now go back to your first screen. How to do it? Click on page selector and then move to home page. Now we are on home page screen or first screen. Click on this button and then go to the properties and click this button, actions button. Add action. Scroll down, on tab, navigate to screen number 2. Okay, so the button will, if we click this button, the screen will change to second screen, and then go to screen number 2, click on back button and add action. Scroll down, navigate to homepage, and then done. Now click on test mode, run your app in test mode, click it, wait for some minutes. Okay, now we are in demo for application that we have made before. Now click on change screen button right here, click it, and then now we are in second screen, and if we click this button, we will back to first screen or homepage screen. If I click it, see, we are in first page again. Now you can click this end station. Are you sure? Yes. And then you can back to your project. You can modify your project, and you can try to make another application, another simple application. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.